Hi everyone, this is Chuck Pisa with Longevity Wellness Center, and I'm an energy therapist, certified esoteric healer, licensed in massage therapy and body work, and an ordained minister. So I'm here to tell you about a workshop I'm going to be offering in February here at Longevity, and this is a brand new workshop. And the title of this workshop is How to Become Aligned with Your True Purpose. So the past several years have been very, very difficult for most of us. And I think there are actually some positive aspects of that most people are not necessarily aware of. All that time we spent alone, maybe sheltering in place, as it was called back in the day, maybe feeling some loss of connection and so on and so forth. It actually has some positive aspects. Everyone knows very well the negative aspects, but the positive aspects have been about you spending more time alone, spending more time alone with yourself and possibly with your family. And what came of that? I think that's some critical, beautiful, wonderful gifts that are there. And part of this workshop is how to see that, how to maybe unearth those things that may have been coming up in all of us in the past few years. So one of the aspects of purpose is, and there's many, many forms of purpose, and we're going to discuss all the different types of purpose, but your true purpose, you may never have thought about. It's not necessarily a job or a career. It may be, what do you really want out of life? Ask yourself the question, do you really know what you want? And are you able to easily get what you want, what we call manifestation? How easily can you manifest what you like or what you want in your life? So what generally tends to happen is we kind of get stuck in our heads. We go round and round and round, the monkey brain, as we all experience. But one of the byproducts of that is that we tend to stay there. We tend to get wrapped up in those mental images, mental belief systems, even some story we keep repeating to ourselves about whatever, and we never really get out of that loop. So what I'm talking about here is being in right relationship with yourself and also being in right relationship with the outside world, whatever is in the outside world that you want, the direction that you want to move into. So I think the pandemic and other things that are going on, the insecurity, the uncertainty that a lot of us have felt, may tend to derail us a little bit. And so what this workshop is about getting back on your direction. Maybe finding your direction if you're not aware of it, or coming closer to that. Or if you're off of the direction, why? And how can I get back on course? We'll be talking about what is the natural flow of things, and are you bucking that flow, or are you in the natural flow? So in this workshop, some of the topics we're going to talk about is how to align with this true purpose, your own unique true purpose, because everyone's is unique. Exercises to align you with your innermost desires. Really, what are those, and how can you find them and align with them? How do I determine what I really want? How do I know if I'm moving in the right direction in my life? What are the signposts that indicate that you are definitely moving in the right direction? How physically, emotionally, and mentally do I feel, or am I prepared? Actually, how healthy am I in any of those fields of endeavors? How to feel greater joy, happiness, and fulfillment in your life. Really the main goals of everyone's life. So this year, 2022, is going to be a great deal, is going to have the energy of attracting to you what you want. It's a year of breaking through all barriers, if that's what you wish. this is a year to kind of get it done if you want to get it done in your personal life. And to break all limitations and to leave them behind once and for all. So I'm really excited to offer this workshop, and this is going to be very, very powerful, and I think it will be incredibly fulfilling to everyone who attends. So we're going to be offering this workshop February 12th. It'll be from 10 to 4. We'll have a lunch break, so you're welcome to bring your lunch, and all of us join in being in community together. So thanks again, and I hope you'll join us.